This year was when I decided, right, okay, I'm gonna try and start a community. I'm gonna actually take Instagram serious. I'm gonna, post some content, put it out there. If no one likes it, doesn't matter. But if they do, then fair enough. And like I said, I was talking to you yesterday about Usman, the guy who run LP Trading. He obviously sadly passed away. I'm now running his Discord community. I was his first student, and he saw something in me. I don't know what he saw, but he saw something in me. And to this day, there's about 900 active members in that community group. And every day I'm still in that group, updating them. And obviously I do that all for free. It's just, I feel like I want to, continue his legacy on. And I'm still posting weekly breakdown videos. I still take time my day to do that for him because I feel like I owe that to him. Right. And obviously to myself as well. Because he was the first mentor that, got me funded and showed me the ropes. And, he was the one that sort of, when you have a group and you one individual stands out, you can always identify one person who wants it the most. I think he saw that in me, and obviously he made me moderator, and he was like, okay, you can do one-to-ones. And at the time, I just wanted to be low key. I didn't want to he was posting my payouts and stuff. I was like, Usman, please don't do that. But then after a while, I was like, do you know what? Maybe it might be a good thing.
Because now step into that power.
Yeah. And I was getting like 5 messages a day in that group. It wasn't a lot, but now it's I'm probably getting 20, 30 messages a day. It's crazy. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, and I'll still reply to everyone. I still will always reply to everyone because
that type of grunt work or that type of, that type of effort that you're giving to people, trying to give back to them, being grateful that they're reaching out to you, right? Not overlooking it. That's what ultimately builds a great community, right? A great future per se, and builds a lot of trust. Yeah. So that's what you're trying to do. I think some people focus so much on the social media platforms. How many followers do I have? How much engagement do I have? And then they're buying engagement. They're buying followers. That doesn't mean anything. Yeah. If you have 1,000 people and every single one of them love you, right, and they trust you, dude, that's better than having 10,000 followers where almost none of them care about you.
Yeah, no, of course. And I wanted to do it my own way. So obviously, I'm using my real name. I'm showing my face. Yep. I've got nothing to lose, right? So if I was a scammer or if I was frauding people, then I'd get in trouble, right? But I'm being as authentic as I can, and even still to this day, I've got 620 followers on Instagram. That's all authentic growth. That's all come from obviously you guys helping out Usman students. It's just all authentic, and I think I'm not, like I said, it doesn't matter if I've got 20,000 followers or 600 followers. I'm still going to be the same person. I'm still going to try and reply to every single message. And I am, proud of myself and how far I've come in this journey, because prop firm trading and trading in general isn't easy, right? It's difficult. Oh, no, and you question yourself even to this day, I question myself, why am I doing this? But I know why I'm doing it. I know the end goal and I know the purpose, and it gets me out of bed, and I'm grateful for trading as well. I am.
That's your purpose in terms of your purpose and your brand, right? Your brand right now is to be very authentic, is to be very real, be yourself. And as you're building it from 600 followers to 20, right? Because the guy was just in here, right? He was at one point 1,000 followers. Now he's at 30K, right? Yeah. So you'd rather build and wait longer a real brand that's truly authentic than get to that goal sooner and have it be fake.
Yeah, of course. I'm still getting messages on Instagram from people saying, these are the social media managers, let me work with you. I can help you. Right. I can help you take you from 600 followers to 30,000 followers. It's okay, I appreciate that, but I want to do it myself, right? And I can vouch for all of the people in my community and even Usman's community. I don't think one of them could say one bad word about me in terms of how genuine I am. I'm so genuine. I've got a lot of time for everyone. Even yesterday at the dinner party, I was just very like I said, it's probably one of the best views I've ever seen in my life, and I was just taking it all in. It was nice to be there. I really enjoyed the moment, and I'm just grateful to be here. Like I said,
that's an amazing mentality, amazing perspective. Props to you for having that, for sure. I think that people want to know, right? How do you operate in this, the community? They might be watching this, the community's so small and the page is so small, right? And how are you so motivated and living with so much purpose right now when you're not at this crazy goal or this crazy size, right?
Because the only opinion that matters is the opinion that you have in yourself, right? So I know who I am as an individual. I know where I'm going. I know, what I'm doing for people is a good thing. I'm taking time out of my day to help people. And like I said, I'm only on what 620 followers now, but believe me, I'm still going to be the same person if I have 100,000 followers or 50,000 followers. I'm still going to be the same person. So yeah.
So what are trading wise, right? Right now, what do you have accounts wise? Not just TFT.
So